Hey there, this is Becca with YouCanBookMe, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up round robin for your teams. For this feature, you are going to need to have a Teams subscription and to have already added your team members in the team member portal of YouCanBookMe, which is found along the top here. If you're not sure about that, I've linked the Teams video in the description of this video on our YouTube channel. But I want to set up round robin for my booking page, The Weekend Crew. So I'm going to click Edit Settings. Firstly, I will have set up this booking page like any other normal booking page. And if you're not sure, if you're new to YouCanBookMe, the how-to for getting started is also linked in this description. But it's already set up. I've got my title. I've made it fun colors. I've got a booking page link. Let's worry about round robin. That's what we're here for. We're going to click Who. And I'm going to turn this off to backtrack to the beginning. There we go. So when you first come here for the first time, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be linked to your individual calendar. So hi, I'm Becca. It's linked to my calendar as an individual. But I want my teams to be included here. We're setting up round robin. If you haven't already upgraded to the Teams package, there will be a little box here prompting you to do so because you do need to pay for the Teams features in order to utilize them. But let's turn Teams on. Immediately, the personal individual settings, those are gone, and here are our team settings. There are a few options. It defaults to the booker can choose a team member from the list. So as you can see here on the side, I've got all of my team members listed out. Lucas, Rex, Edgar Allan, and Rose. So if somebody comes and they would like to book with my team, they can select from one of those individuals. Maybe my booker doesn't have a preference. I can include a no preference option. We hit save, we'll be able to see that here on the side, and they can choose no preference if they don't have a preference. So if they don't know who they want to book with, they can select no preference, or they can select from one of my team members. Another option is booker automatically assigned team member. This means that the booker is prompted to book a time, and when they do book a time, they're automatically assigned to an individual. It can be random. So here we can see that Lucas was randomly assigned to me. Fabulous. We love Lucas. Or it can assign the team members based on order, meaning it'll just go down the list. But let's talk about round robin because that's why we're here. If we select round robin, goodness, there are two options. Optimizing availability for the booker or optimizing for equal distribution, meaning if it's availability for the booker, if you come to book, it'll show you all the times that are available for Lucas, Rex, Edgar Allan, and Rose combined. Fabulous. So maybe I want to meet with somebody at 4 o'clock. It will assign me to Lucas because Lucas is the one who was available at 4 o'clock. Super duper cool. If nobody was available, it wouldn't show the time slot. If Lucas and Rex were available, it would give me one of them once I chose that time slot. So it would show all the availability. If Edgar Allan is the only person who works on Tuesdays, it's only going to show Edgar Allan's availability on Tuesdays. Or we can optimize for equal distribution, meaning that I can book a time. Maybe I want to book for next week. Cool. And again, it keeps assigning me to Lucas. He's the top of the list, and this is all not live. So, of course, it keeps giving me Lucas, but it would optimize for equal distribution, meaning it would make sure Luke, Rex, Edgar Allan, and Rose all get the same amount of meetings to make sure that your team doesn't burn out or get overloaded and that they share the load together. So those are your options for round robin. And then, of course, once we select what we'd like, we make sure we hit save changes so that it actually goes into effect for our bookers. That is how you set up round robin for your team members. Let us know if you have any questions. Of course, you can reach out to our support team at any time, and we are more than happy to help you with teams, with round robin, or anything else that YouCanBookMe. Thank you so much for watching, you guys.